Hello, welcome to Tech Talks with Babatunde. If tech has ever felt intimidating, confusing, or you feel like you're not in the right place or feels like it's not for you, this video is exactly for you. Now, let's clear this up properly, shall we? First, let's start from defining what coding actually is. Coding is not magic. Coding is not genius level intelligence. It is not reserved for only people that loves or excel in mathematics, right? Coding itself is the idea of giving instructions to a computer. Let me give you an example. When you type something in your Google browser, right, and say, "Oh, what is X?" You're already giving that browser an instruction. Coding is simply doing it in a way or in a language that the computer understands. Now let's talk about the types of coding. There are three main parts in coding. We have the front end, we have the back end, we have the mobile app. Front end is what users see, right? The buttons, the colors, the layout, and the pages. Those are what comprises of the front end. And the back end is the engine rooms, the logic, the database, and the security, right? And also for the mobile app, we have the Android, the iOS, and the iOS, and so on and so forth. Now, here's the honest truth most people won't tell you. If you're a beginner, the best place to start with is the front end, right? I mean, you are writing codes and seeing results immediately and fast, right? That way you're able to build your confidence, you don't feel lost, right? So you're just like in the moment. I mean, it's fun when you try to do something and you're seeing that you're creating the result is displaying on the right side or on the left side. I mean, you'll be motivated. Your confidence level goes, skyrockets. And best you start with, I would just advise you start with front end if you're a total beginner and you don't want to get lost fast, or you have a lot of people discouraging you that no, don't do this, tech is hard. Start with front end, right? Now let me tell you why a lot of people fail at tech. It's not particularly because tech itself is hard. It is because of how they choose to learn, right? Some people, people, or a lot of people has a very limited attention span, and some people go from front end to back end to front end while they are still beginners. That way, you're never going to be able to use coding, right? Or create anything substantial with coding. So you have to be very okay. You have to be very grounded in one part of tech first before you move to the other. For example, if you're starting from the front end, ensure you're well grounded in front end before you start. Oh, I want to start trying back end. I want to be a full stack developer. And also, this particular set of people, compare themselves to people that has been in the tech, that's been writing codes for years. Tech is not motivation based, right? Tech is consistency based. I mean, 30 minutes every day beats 6 hours once a week. So if you are saying, oh, today I'm going to, let's say you're learning front end, and you say, today I'm going to try to create a simple static page. I'm not going to create all the page, but I'm going to start with the navigations, right? I'm going to start with the background. Beat saying, oh, going online, extracting source code from website and trying to say, oh, edit them to learn. I mean, that is not learning. That is basically duplication. You learn by actually practicing and doing them every time. I mean, and you're always consistent, right? Always consistent with what you do. Like today, you've done the navigation. Tomorrow, I'm going to set the background, make him look fancy. Next tomorrow, your for example, for e-commerce websites, your cards and everything for showcasing product and everything. And consistency. If you're dedicating 30 minutes every day, eventually you will be grounded, right? So I'm going to give you a very simple roadmap here. And the roadmap is as simple as pick a part, um just one part, by the way. I mean, a lot of people start and say, oh, um I'm going to. I want to do. You don't want to begin. You don't want to start tech by becoming a full stack. I mean, oh, I'm going to be a back. I want to be a backend developer. That is your foundation, right? Pick that start and start from there. So what you need to do is learn the basics, right? Understand the basics properly. Not trying to say, oh, I want to master the advanced. I mean, definitions to help, right? So if you can understand something very well in plain English, right, that would help you understand what, for example, variables, right? That would help you understand, oh, variables is used to store data or to hold data. So that way you are able to understand, okay, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm starting with, and this is where I'm going, right? From still, we're still on the first part, which you are picking a part, and the next step is learn the basics, right? Understand the basics to the best you can, right? And the third step is build small projects, let's say you are doing, or let's say you are let's use backend for example. Now you can do small things. You can use your terminal. Let's say you're writing Python, you can use your terminal and use the for loop, right, to print out a lot of numbers. I mean, the little results you see is give you motivations to want to do it and continue doing it, right? And the fourth step is do the same thing over and over again. I mean, when you do something over and over again, it's called practice. And what does practice make? Practice makes you very good at what you are doing. Repetition. Do it, repeat. Oh, this is what I'm going to do today. Understand the basics, practice, repeat. Do it the next day, repeat. Right? That way you are able to build a solid foundation in whatever you're doing, right? And also that now brings me to uh um the question everybody wants answered. When does the money start rolling in? When do I start making my chunks from the tech industry? And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to be very, very honest with you. It's not going to come when you start writing code. It's not going to come. It's going to probably come when you start perfecting things. I mean, with focus and consistency. And you also have to give yourself a timeline, right? Give yourself 3 to 6 months to practice properly. That will allow you to gain confidence. And let's say after the 6 to 12 months of gaining confidence, then you can now give another timeline of, let's say, 6 to 12 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months. I mean, this are the time where you start looking for, let's say you start applying on job websites, opportunities start showing up, people that wants to partner with you. People will probably say, oh, I want to give you so shares to collaborate with you if you can do this project. I mean, that is when the real opportunities start showing up, right? 1 to 2 years, I mean, your earning power doesn't go up immediately, right? You get people offering you peanuts to do nothing. I mean, accept it. It helps you. The more projects you accept, the more you write code. The more you write code, the better you get at it, right? That's so basically that's how it works. I mean, and also, if you're thinking you want to do 1 year, 2 years, I mean, to start making the big money, tech is not probably going to reward you. I mean, tech rewards people who don't quit early, right? Most people stop right before things start clicking, like, oh, this is too complicated. I don't want to do this, and things like that, right? And as I would always say, coding is one door, not the whole building. Tech is a long game. But let me tell you the truth, it's worth it. Stay consistent, and your future will thank you.